phone tricks and tricks, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can earn free cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap. There's a CoinMarketCap program called Learn and Earn, and in this program new coins that are just coming out on CoinMarketCap, you can learn about them and you get free cryptocurrency after completing the quiz. So they call it the Learn and Earn program. Now all you need to do is you make sure you smash the subscribe button, you turn our bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting videos like this, you'll be among the first to see it. So look at this is CoinMarketCap, and you can see learn crypto, earn crypto. All you need to, some people don't know about these apps. They're going to give you quiz and write-ups. You watch the video, you learn about this new project and what they intend to achieve in the market. You complete the quiz, then you get rewarded by collecting free crypto. Watch videos, complete quiz, and you get free crypto. So I'm going to drop a link to how you can access this site. That's this CoinMarketCap Earn and Learn project. I'll drop a link in my description. Make sure you use the link so that you can learn from CoinMarketCap and earn free cryptocurrency. For example, now this is currently the ongoing project Plasma Finance. So if you click on it, you see live, the campaign is live. So you click on it. If you click on this Plasma Finance, you will see Learn and Earn Plasma. Then you see when the campaign will start in probably like 21 hours time. So you see all the lessons you need to learn: Plasma Finance experience, decentralized finance and stuff like that. Then how to make passive income from decentralized finance, DeFi, lesson 2, lesson 3, plasma swap, trade assets and manage liquidity like a pro. And you see the lesson 4. So it's just 4 lessons. When you finish the lesson, you come here and you take the quiz, and after taking the quiz you get rewarded. And the thing is, you cannot take the quiz now until when it is time to take the quiz. So it's a Plasma Finance Learning Any coming soon on the 2nd of June 2021. So that's why the time is counting down 21 hours time. So in 21 hours, people that can jump on this are going to make free cryptocurrency from this Plasma Finance, and that is because it is a new crypto that is about to launch. You get your free crypto, and there are so many projects that people have earned from in the past. For example, this FIO protocol, they've completed. There's people that learned about it also earned. Let me click on this. Even 1 inch, people got free 1 inch token. So look at, let me just click on this 1 inch. It has been completed anyway, but to just show you so you can see, watch video series, learn about liquidity aggregation protocol by 1 inch. And you can see in this part where you're supposed to bring out the countdown, it says campaign concluded. Subscribe to get more updates for the next Learn and Earn campaign. So you could also subscribe so that when there's another Learn and Earn opportunity, you'll be among the first to see it. So let me just do this. Let me show you how you can subscribe. Guys, make sure you smash the subscribe button, you turn our bell post notification on, so when I drop interesting videos like this, you'll be among the first to see it. And if you don't have a Binance account, I'll be leaving a link where you can create a Binance account and get 20% discount for any transaction you make on Binance. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video.